The concept of live AI video generation has been making waves in the tech industry, but is it a revolutionary technology or just a fancy marketing term? With the ability to generate high-quality video content in real time, it's no wonder that many are excited about the potential of this technology, but we need to take a closer look to understand what's really going on. Firstly, it's essential to define what we mean by live AI video generation, which refers to the use of artificial intelligence to generate video content on the fly, without the need for pre-rendering or post-production. This technology has the potential to disrupt the way we create and consume video content, from live streaming to video production. One of the key benefits of live AI video generation is the ability to personalize video content in real time, allowing for a more engaging and interactive experience for the viewer. For instance, AI-powered video generation can be used to create personalized product demos, tailored to the individual's interests and preferences. Another significant advantage of live AI video generation is the potential to reduce production costs and increase efficiency. With the ability to generate high-quality video content in real time, the need for expensive equipment, studios, and production teams is greatly reduced. This makes it possible for smaller creators and businesses to produce high-quality video content without breaking the bank. However, there are also some challenges and limitations to consider when it comes to live AI video generation. For example, the quality of the generated video content can be inconsistent, and the technology is still in its early stages, which means that there are many bugs to be worked out. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential for AI-generated video content to be used for malicious purposes, such as deepfakes and propaganda. Despite these challenges, the potential of live AI video generation is undeniable. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume video content, from social media to advertising and beyond. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see new and innovative applications of live AI video generation, from virtual events to immersive experiences. In conclusion, live AI video generation is a meaningful technical category that has the potential to disrupt the way we create and consume video content. With its ability to personalize video content, reduce production costs, and increase efficiency, it's no wonder that many are excited about the potential of this technology. If you want to stay up to date with the latest developments in live AI video generation and other emerging technologies, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and insights.